In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to unmute accounts on Threads. If you've previously muted certain accounts or a group of them on Threads, and now you're eager to start receiving notifications from them again, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unmute those accounts. To begin, launch the Threads app on your device. Once you're in the app, identify the specific account you wish to unmute. Now that you're on the desired account's profile, look for the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to access the Account Options menu. In the Account Options menu, you'll find the Mute option. However, since you're aiming to unmute the account, select Unmute from this menu. By doing this, you're ensuring that you'll once again receive notifications from this account. If you're looking to unmute multiple accounts that you've previously muted, follow these steps. Start by tapping on your own profile icon, located at the bottom right of the app interface. This will lead you to your profile page. At the top left corner of your profile page, you'll see a globe icon. Tap on this icon to proceed. In the middle of your screen, you'll notice a Muted button. Give it a tap to access the complete list of accounts that you've muted. Within the list of muted accounts, you'll find the option to unmute next to each account. To remove the mute status and start receiving notifications again, simply tap the Unmute button next to the accounts you want to unmute. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully unmuted accounts on Threads. You can now enjoy receiving notifications from the accounts you've chosen to unmute. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.